Okay, everyone. So want to quickly go over the rest of the type tools. This one's kind of cool. It's called the area type tool. So the way it works is if you start by drawing a shape, right? So here's a circle or an ellipse or something like that. I'll hold down the shift key so I get a perfect circle, right? And then if you mouse down on the text tool and you go to the area type tool, you see how when I come over here, instead of getting a typical square, I get this circle, the dotted circle. So I'm going to click and I'm going to start to type, and my text is a little big, but you can see it actually is, it's a text, the circle is a text box. And if I change the size of my character, let's make it kind of smaller, just so it fits better. You can kind of see what I'm talking about here, obviously. But this just kind of takes over the shape of a circle. And what's interesting about it is, regardless of what the fill and stroke were, those go away, just disappear. So what I'm left with is that, which is kind of cool. Warping your text. Let's quickly go over this one. Type tool. Grab it, right? Type something out. Hello world! Exclamation point. If you go to type at the top, nope, text warp. There it is. And there's actually some better ways to do it, actually, than what I'm about to show you. But wow, my brain just is not working right now. Warp. There it is. So I've got to have the text box selected, and then go back to Effect, Warp, and I have all these options. So like I'll just grab Wave, for example, and I hit Preview. You can see it's not doing much right now, but if I start distorting it, I don't know how well you can see that, but that's really crazy distorted. See how it took the text and I'll make it bigger, and it actually physically warped it. And each of these does something different. What's interesting about it is that the font is still editable. So if I want to change what this says, like, right, it does it, but it keeps the warp, which is kind of interesting. So just something interesting to use. There are other ways to do this, and actually I prefer them to what I just showed you, but I'm just showing you one of the many options in Illustrator.